x square minus 49x plus k equivalent to 0. Both the roots of the quadratic equation are prime numbers. Both the roots of the quadratic equation are prime numbers. Find the value of k. These are some of the doubts asked by students. There are 3 to 4 doubts. I will discuss one by one. X square minus 49x plus k equivalent to 0. Both the roots of the quadratic equation are prime numbers. What will be the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots will be equivalent to minus b by a. Minus into minus 49, and product of the roots will be equivalent to c by a. Product of the roots will be equivalent to c by a. If the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0, sum of the roots will be minus b by a, and product of the roots will be c by a. Most of you know it because we have studied these in our school textbooks. Sum of the roots is 49 and product of the roots is k. We have to find out the value of k. So, sir, should I take all the values? No, these for the student who has sent a doubt in WhatsApp. Alpha plus beta equivalent to 49. Both the roots of the quadratic equation are prime numbers. Alpha plus beta equivalent to 49. Suppose if I take alpha and beta as an odd prime numbers, alpha and beta as an odd prime numbers, what will be odd plus odd? Odd plus odd will be an even number, but 49 is an odd number. Therefore, this case not possible. That means alpha and beta, there cannot be two even prime numbers. In the prime number set, the only even number it is 2. So alpha and beta, if one is even, another will be odd. If one is even, another will be odd. If one is odd, another will be even. Even plus odd number, it is an odd number. Odd plus even number, it is an odd number. 49, it is an odd number. One has to be even and another has to be odd. So the only case possible is one has to be even. The only even prime, it is 2. Alpha is 2, beta is 47, or if alpha is 47, beta will be 2. Any value it can take. There is no condition given that alpha is less than beta. So alpha is 2, beta is 47. Anyway, we do not need alpha and beta. We require k, which is the product of the roots, alpha, beta. So 2 into 47 is 94. 2 into 47 is 94. I hope the student who asked a doubt, you don't need to enumerate here. If you use the basic number tree concept, sum of the roots is 49. 49, it is an odd number. Odd plus odd, it is an even number. 49 is odd. Even plus even, we cannot take. Even plus even will result in even. So one has to be odd and another has to be even. One has to be odd and another has to be even. So the answer for this question is alpha is 2, beta is 47. So alpha beta 2 into 40 equivalent to 2. P square plus 15p minus 1. I took it as in the yesterday's class, 2 square plus 15 into 2 minus 1. 4 plus 30 minus 1. 33. 33, it is a composite number. In hurry, I said it as prime number. 33 is a composite number. Please make a note of the calculation mistake which I did it in question number 20. Calculation mistake which I did. Calculation mistake. Yesterday in the class I told that 33 is a prime number, 33 is a composite number. Please make a note of these important calculation mistake which I did. These are all the questions which we discussed. In advanced level, there were some doubts. Now, before that one, suppose, please make a note, sir. Key point. I discussed this, but you can still further optimize it. 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, and 1 by 5 into 7. 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 5 into 7. If the question is like this, What is the approach we discussed in the class? N terms should be optimized to n minus 1. Write down the first term and write down the last term. 1 by difference between the numerical values, it is 2. Two numerical values are getting optimized to 1. This is something which we discussed in series part number 1. 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7. Two numerical values should be condensed to 1. Write down the first numerical value, write down the last numerical value. 1 and 3 difference is 2. Two numerical values became one numerical value. These 1 by 2 into 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 by 7, which is 3 by 7. You don't need to do all this, you can further condense it. Now, you can further Anil Nair's further optimization. You can further optimize it. What will be the answer? See here, sir. 1 into 3, 3 into 5 and 5 into 7. Totally how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. Write down number of terms in the numerator. 3 is the number of terms in the numerator. Number of terms in numerator divided by, write down the first numerical value, write down the last numerical value. Write down the first numerical value and write down the last numerical value. Finish. Somebody asked me this question. So when I was thinking about it, when in the night I realized that this can be further optimized. 1 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7. Totally 3 are there. If 3 are there, 3 number of terms in numerator by first numerical value and last numerical value. Suppose if the question is 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 9. How many terms are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by. Write down the first numerical value and last numerical value. Answer for this question is 4 by 9. Are you all with me? Suppose if the series is beginning with 1 by 2 into 5, 1 by 5 into 8, 1 by 8 into 11, 1 by 11 into 14. 1 by 11 into 14. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerical values are there. 4 by 4 numerical values. Now if you see here, 2 into these series is 2, 5, 8, 11. You can also see this. 2, 5, 8, 11. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. 11 equivalent to 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. 9 equivalent to n minus 1 into 3. N equivalent to 4. Are you all with me? Write down the first numerical value and write down the last numerical value. Very, very easy way to look at the series. Again, I am repeating. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 numerical values in the 3 terms are there in the numerator. Write down number of terms in the numerator. 3. That what will be the first numerical value? 1. What will be the last numerical value? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of terms in the numerator, it is 4. Write down the first numerical value, write down the last numerical value. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by. Write down the first numerical value, write down the last numerical value. Suppose if the number of numerical values increases from 2 to 3, some changes should be done. That we will see it in the next class. I hope it is clear. Number of terms in the numerator divided by first numerical value into last numerical value. Make a note of these important shortcut. Further you can optimize it. You can further optimize it. Idea clear, right? Idea clear? It's asked by a student. The first doubt is, sir, what is the remainder when 17 factorial is divided by 23? First doubt. Second doubt, sir, what is the remainder when 18 factorial is divided by 437? Second doubt. Third doubt, sir, what if the question is like this? 2016 factorial power 2015 power 2015 divided by 2017 divided by 2017. Student who is a repeater of CAT examination has asked me these three questions. 17 factorial by 23. What is the remainder? 18 factorial by 437. What is the remainder? 2016 factorial power 2015 power 2015 divided by 2017. Now see here, one by one we will solve these questions. 17 factorial by 23. Now, what is the concept that we discussed yesterday? We discussed if it is p minus 3 factorial, remainder 1, p minus 3 factorial divided by p, it is p minus 1 by 2. P minus 1 by 2 when p is a prime number. P minus 3 factorial divided by p is p minus 1 by 2 when p is prime. We will use this concept to solve this question in less steps. Now see, how am I solving this question? 23, it is a prime number. 23 minus 3. 20 factorial divided by 23. It is p minus 1 by 2. 22 by 2, which is 11. P minus 3 factorial divided by p. It is p minus 1 by 2 when p is a prime number. 20 factorial can be written as same approach, backtracking. 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 factorial divided by 23, it is 11. 20 factorial is 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 factorial. 20 divided by 23. 23 ones are 23 minus 3. 23 ones are 23 minus 4. 23 ones are 23 minus 5. 17 factorial by 23. We need the remainder. It is x. When I further divide by 23, answer will not change. Minus minus minus. It is minus 60x divided by 23. It is 11. Till here it is clear. 23 3s are 16 9. 60 is 9 less than 16 9. Minus of minus. So this will become 9x divided by 23. Remainder it is 11. Again I am repeating it. First I am using this concept. If I go for 22 factorial, 21 factorial, 20 factorial, it might take a little more time. So directly I will start with p minus 3 factorial divided by p is p minus 1 by 2 when p is prime. 20 factorial by 23, it is 11. 20 factorial is 20, 19, 18, 17 factorial. 23 ones are 23. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 into x. Minus 60x. 23 3s are 16, 9. Minus into minus plus. Now we will 9x when divided by 23. 9x when divided by 23. Quotient I don't know. Remainder it is 11. So dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 9x is 18k plus 9 plus 5k plus 2. Plus 5k plus 2. Now from here you will get the answer. Divisible by 9, divisible by 9, divisible by 9. 5k plus 2 should be divisible by 9. 5k plus 2 equivalent to 9. K will be fraction. 5k plus 2 18. K will be fraction. 5k plus 2 has to be 27. So k is 5. If k is 5, answer will be 23 into 5 115. 115 plus 115 plus 11, 126. 126 by 6, 9. Answer is 14. Very, very easy if you know this backtracking approach. What is the concept that I used in the first question? Backtracking. What is backtracking method? Backtracking method is a method where from the known we will try to find out the unknown. P minus 3 factorial divided by p is p minus 1 by 2. 20 factorial by 23, it is 11. From 20 factorial, I need 23. 20, 19, 18, 17 factorial. 23 ones are 23, minus 4. 23 ones are 23. 23 ones are 23, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, x. 3, 4, 5. 12 5s are 60. Minus 60x divided by 23 is 11. 23 3s are 16, 9. Minus 9. Minus into minus plus. 9x divided by 23, it is 11. 9x equivalent to 23k plus 11. K value, it is 5. 9x is 126, x is 14. I hope the first doubt it is clear. Second one. Sir, 18 factorial divided by 437. 437, let us see, is 437 a prime number or a composite number? 19 2s are 38, 57. 19 3s are 57. 437, it is a composite number. It is a product of two prime numbers, which is 19 and 23. So first I will go by 19. 18 factorial divided by 19. P minus 1 factorial divided by P is P minus 1. Already we discussed. 18 factorial divided by 23. 18 factorial divided by 23. We will compute it and then we will equate it. 437, it is a composite number. It is a product of two prime numbers, 19 into 23. P minus 1 factorial by P is P minus 1. 18 factorial by 23. What is that we already knew? We already knew that P minus 3 factorial by P. 20 factorial by 23, it is 11. So 20 factorial is 20 into 19 into 18 factorial divided by 23, it is 11. Till here it clear? Same backtracking. 20 divided by 23 minus 3. 23 ones are 23 minus 4. 18 factorial by 23 x divided by 23, it is 11. So 12x when it is divided by 23, remainder it is 11. So 12x is can be written as 24k plus 12 minus of 1 plus k. Minus of 1 plus k. 24k minus k is 23k. 12 minus 1, it is 11. Divisible by 12. Divisible by 12. Divisible by 12. So k minimum value, it is 11. Are you all with me? K minimum value 11. 12x is 11. 11 into 23 plus 11. So 11 into 24. 11 into 24. X value, it is 22. X value, it is 22. Now see here. If X value, if it is 22. If X value, if it is 22. Now, what we'll do is, we'll keep this question aside. X value, it is 22. So here it is 22. I hope the idea it is clear. 18 factorial by 23. 20 factorial by 23 is 11. 20, 19, 18 factorial. Minus 3, minus 4, x. 12x equivalent to 23k plus 11. 12x is divisible by 12. 24 is divisible by 12. These also divisible by 12. 1 plus k should be divisible by 12. K minimum, it is 11. 23 into 11 plus 11. 11 common. 23 plus 1 is 24. Now, 18 factorial. 1 is 18 factorial divided by 19. It is remainder 18. 19a plus 18. 18 factorial divided by 23. Remainder is 22. 23b plus 22. So, 19a equivalent to 23b plus 4. 19a equivalent to 19b plus b plus 4. 19b plus b plus 4. Now from here easily you will get the answer. Divisible by 19, divisible by 19. B value, minimum value, it is 15. Even if you take more value on further division, it will get cancelled. 19a equivalent to 23 into b is 15. If b is 15, you don't need to find out a. If b is 15, 23 into 15 plus 22. 15 3s are 45, 345 plus 22. Answer for this question will be 367. Answer for this question is 367. All you have to do is, if the denominator it is a composite number, if the denominator it is a composite number, write the number as a product of two coprimes. What is the learning from this question? Write the number as a product of two coprimes. Write the number as a product of two coprimes. Product of two coprimes. I hope the idea it is clear. P minus 1 factorial divided by P is 18. 18 factorial by 23. 20 factorial by 23, 11. 20, 19, 18. Minus 3 minus 4x. 12x equivalent to 23k plus 11. 1 I got remainder 22. So this remainder is 22. I want 18 factorial divided by 437. 437 is 19 into 23. I did it for 19 and 23. 19a plus 18 equivalent to 23b plus 22. 19a equivalent to 23b plus 4. Divisible by 19, divisible by 19. B minimum value, it is 15. If it is 15, answer will be 23 into 15 plus 22. I hope these two advanced questions, idea it is clear. Just go slow with calculations. It is a product of two coprimes. Here is what if it is beyond p minus 1 factorial and p minus 2 factorial. In yesterday's class, we discussed p minus 1 factorial divided by p is p minus 1. P minus 2 factorial divided by p is 1. P minus 3 factorial divided by p is p minus 1 by 2. P minus 1 by 2. One more question is left. That also we will solve. Now, I am solving the another doubt here. 2016 factorial. 2016 factorial, power 2015, power 2015 divided by 2017, divided by 2017. Yesterday I told you how to cross check whether the denominator it is a prime number or not. 2017, take the under root of 2017. 2017 it is 45 square is 2025. Take all the prime numbers less than or equivalent to root 10. If none of them divides 2017, then the number is a prime number. If you check it out like this, 2017 will be a prime number. If you check it out, 2017 will be a prime number. Now, yesterday we discussed a concept, p minus 1 factorial. P minus 1 factorial divided by p, it is minus 1. Or if it is in a positive remainder, it is p minus 1. P minus 1 factorial divided by p, remainder it is minus 1 or p minus 1. If I take minus 1, single step answer, p minus 1 factorial divided by p, it is minus 1. 2015 it is an odd number. Odd number power any number, odd number. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder, add it with the denominator. If I add with the denominator, it is 2016. I hope the idea it is clear. P minus 1 factorial divided by p, the value negative remainder will be minus 1, positive remainder will be p minus 1. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd. Minus 1 power odd number, it will be minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder will be 2016. Few important doubts I discussed at the beginning of the class. 17 factorial by 23. How to compute? One mock question. 18 factorial by 437. How to compute? How to find out the product of the roots without even enumerating it? How if different powers are there? That also we have discussed. I hope the idea it is clear. Next, one more question. One more question. This was not a doubt, but just another learning. Is 51 factorial minus 1 prime or composite? Is 51 factorial minus 1, 51 factorial minus 1 prime or a composite number? Very, very good question it is. Yesterday we discussed a concept. What is that concept? Remainder 1, p minus 2 factorial divided by p, remainder it is 1 when p is a prime number. when P is a prime number. So based upon this concept, 51 factorial divided by 53, it is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Answer is divisible by 53. If it is divisible by 53, can it be a prime number? No. Answer is a composite number. You can also check whether a number is a prime or composite by using Wilson's theorem. Is 51 factorial minus 1 prime or composite? 51 factorial divided by 53. P minus 2 factorial divided by P. Reminder, it is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is divisible by 53. If it is divisible by 53, then it will become a multiple of 53. If it is a multiple of 53, answer it is a composite number. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, n equivalent to 100, 101, 102, 103, and so on up to 997, 998, 999, 999. So how many numbers are there? These are all 3-digit numbers. These are all 3-digit numbers. How many 3-digit numbers are written? 3-digit numbers starting with 100, 101, 102, 103, and so on up to 999. So these are nothing but 900 3-digit numbers are written sequentially. 900 3-digit numbers are written sequentially. 900 3-digit numbers are written sequentially. Directly, how you got 900 3-digit numbers? The lowest 3-digit number I wrote is 100. The highest 3-digit number I wrote is 999. Highest 3-digit number I wrote is 999. Shift all the values by minus 999. So 1 to 900. 1 to 900. How many numbers I wrote? 900 numbers I wrote. This is how you can count the numbers. This is how you can count the numbers. Suppose if the numbers are from 3 to 15, how many numbers are there? Shift everything, start everything from 1. Shift it by minus 2. From 1 to 13. 1 to 13, how many numbers are there from 3 to 15? Which is 13 numbers. Or you can also do it as highest value minus lowest value plus 1. Highest value minus lowest value plus 1. 999 minus 100, 899 plus 1. 900 3-digit numbers I wrote. 900 3-digit numbers I wrote sequentially. 15 minus 3 plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. If the lowest number, please write down in your notebook. If the lowest number it is A, highest number it is B. The number of numbers from A to B, it is defined as B minus A plus 1. Again I am repeating it. If the lowest number it is A, if the highest number it is B, number of numbers from A to B, it is defined as B minus A plus 1. B minus A plus 1. In case if you are unable to remember the formula, make the lowest number as 1. Highest number will be the number of numbers. 100 to 999. Shift everything by minus 99. 100 minus 99 is 1. 999 minus 99 is 900. Highest value will become the number of numbers. Shift this by 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 15 minus 2, 13. From 1 to 13, highest value will be the number. I hope it is clear. Now, we have to use two questions are there. First thing is, what is the remainder when it is divided by 7? 7 it is minus 1. 11 it is minus 1. Yesterday we discussed the divisibility rule for 7, 11 and 13. 10 cube divided by 13 minus 1. 10 cube divided by 13 minus 1. What is the divisibility rule for 7, 11 and 13? Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus, alternatively plus minus, alternatively plus minus. Above even number there will be minus, above odd number there will be plus. Above even number, odd number there will be plus and minus. So if you observe here, 998 minus 999, how much it is? 1. 997 minus 996, how much it is? 1. 103 minus 102, it is 1. 101 minus 100, it is 1. That means if I take total 900 numbers are there, 900 numbers, if I apply the divisibility rule, I will get the resultant as 450. 450 because total 900 numbers, half of them is giving me 1. This minus this 1. This minus this 1. If I take 4 numbers, I got answer 2. If I take 6 numbers, I will get answer 3. So half of them will give you, because last 3 digit before with that 3 digit, answer is 1111. 900 numbers, 3 with the before 3 digit number 450. So it should be divided by 7. 450 divided by 7. 7 6s are 42. 30. 7 4s are 28. It is 2. Similarly, 450 divided by 11. 11 4s are 44. 10. 450 divided by 13. 450 divided by 13. 13 3s are 13. 9. 60. 13 4s are 40. 52. Remainder 8. I hope the idea it is clear. 900 numbers. If I apply this concept, I got 450. Why I got 450? 900 numbers. 999 minus 998 1. 996 minus 996 1. 103 minus 102 1. 101 minus 101. 1 1 1 1 1. For every two group of 2 3-digit numbers, 2 3-digit numbers, I got 1. So 2 3-digit numbers, 900 divided by 2, it is 450. Once you get the answer, 450 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42, 30. 7 4s are 28, 2. 11 4s are 44, 10. 13 3s are 39, 60. 13 4s are 52. Remainder 8. First one, second one, third one. I hope it is clear. Now see here. Suppose what is the fourth and fifth question? Fourth and fifth question is find the remainder when it is divided by 27. So 10 cube divided by 27, it is 1. 10 cube divided by 37, it is 1. So what we have to do? What is the divisibility rule for 27 and 37? Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. 100, 101, till 998, 999. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 100 plus 101 and so on up to 999. It is in arithmetic progression. So Sn is n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term. Total numbers are 900 into 100 plus 999. 100 plus 999. So 450 into 1099. 450 into 1099. So for this question, what we have to do? 450 into 1099. Again take a group of 3 digits and add. 99 plus 1, 100. So these are nothing but 450 into 100 by 27. 450 into 100 by 27. This is 450 into 100 by 37. I hope the idea it is clear. What is the divisibility rule for 7, 11, 13? Start from unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. What is the divisibility rule for 27 and 37? Start from unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. I hope the idea it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Divisibility rule for 7, 11, 13. Divisibility rule for 27 and 37. Idea it is clear. Very, very good questions we are going to solve in today's class.